Okay, and you take care of which section of Lotus?
My area is I'm a technical account rep for the southeast of North America, and I cover the Mid-Atlantic region, specifically Virginia and Maryland.
Oh, and you're a technical person?
Yes, I am.
I see.
But technical sales.
Technical plus sales, marketing.
Yes.
Like Emmanuel then? A little bit like Emmanuel.
I believe so.
Paris.
Yes.
So did you get a chance to meet the people from Paris or not yet?
Not yet. I haven't had the opportunity to.
Oh, okay. So you all have like a different product that you work on?
Some of us specialize in certain areas. We have some folks on our teams. You know, we have a team of individuals that cover the same area that I cover. My expertise sort of is broad, and I cover most of the products. And when I need an expert, you know, to come in to cover a specific product, then I can have that person come in.
Oh, great. And can you tell us your name?
My name is Jeff Teboul.
Jeff who?
Teboul.
Okay, and you're from which city?
I'm from Richmond, Virginia.
Richmond, Virginia.
Yes.
Great. And Richmond, Virginia has a specific product they promote? Richmond, Virginia has a specific product that they promote?
We promote most of them.
All of them?
Yeah, all of the Domino, you know,
products.
right.
Okay, and so the people, for example, who are coming from Paris, are they demonstrating the same products you are?
I'm not sure, actually. I haven't seen them yet, but...
Okay. So basically, they brought people from all over the place and they assigned them different products?
Yes, I would think so.
So can you tell us a couple words about Domino product?
Domino product.
Like if someone is non-technical, what would you say about it?
Ooh, let's see. There's so much to it. It can provide messaging for a corporation. It will be a very strong platform for collaboration within your organization.
Yeah, so it's intranet?
Yes, it can provide an intranet for your and an extranet if you'd like to have both.
Okay. And this product is, what specifically differentiates this product from other products?
I'd say probably the one that comes to my mind, just because of recent experience with the customer, is just its scalability. I think when you're talking about messaging, we operate on many platforms, so we give you a choice. You know, like operating systems, and you know, we can operate on Unix, we can operate on NT, AIX.
Okay, when you say messaging, can you explain what that is?
Like email system.
Email
yes.
system?
Yes.
So like what? You would have the whole company directory in that system?
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes.
And then you would facilitate communication between the employees?
Yes, that's correct.
I see. So you send an email to all the employees of the company?
You could send email to individuals, groups of individuals, or the entire corporation.
I see. And so companies find a good use of that product. Is that
Yes.
That's why they buy it for their own company.
Yes.
And that's the Domino.
Yes, it would be Domino and possibly notes for the client. But you can use you can use a browser, a web client as well.
I see. And it's called Domino, but it has nothing to do with Domino the game, right?
Excuse me?
It's called Domino for just...
Oh, no. Yeah, I'm not sure.
It's a marketing word to get the attention.
Yeah, I'm not sure how, where they came up with the name Domino. I'm sure somebody in the company knows
the origin?
Knows that, yeah.
Okay, so it has been a very successful product for you?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So thank you very much, Jeff. And
yes.
I will give this to Michelle. She's in Paris. She's in charge of videos for the company now.
Okay, thank you
very much.
Yes.
American United Life Insurance Company in Indianapolis, Indiana. How you guys to move?
Hi. Can you tell me your name?
I'm Susan Danielson. Betsy Taylor.
So this is fascinating to me. What do you think of the conference so far? Did you just arrive?
Oh, it's awesome.
We've been having a great time. Got in late Tuesday night. Yes, I'm a Lotus Notes administrator and developer.
And I'm a developer and web application developer.
Oh, so you work for Lotus?
No, for American United Life in Indianapolis, Indiana.
Oh, you use it?
Yeah.
And what is the product that you like most?
All of them.
we like the workflow. It's pretty good, and of course the Webster integration has been pretty cool.
Same time. That's the way to go. Same time's the best.
What improvement do you think they should make if you had a suggestion to make?
For the conference?
No, for the
product.
The product.
Oh.
That's hard to say.
Got lots of administration ideas. The ability to make a new copy from the administrator, but that's not really a developer thing.
Is it like a product that perfectly fits right now?
Single development environment. That's what I like. A single
development environment would be great.
So they accommodate the product to your needs.
I'm sorry, can you
They try to fit the product. Which company again now?
American United Life in Indianapolis, Indiana. Thank you.
So you are
Vinny from Ives Development.
so you are with Ives. And what kind of business partnership do you have with Lotus?
We have a premium partnership with Lotus, and we help out developers overcome challenges in the development process. Things like configuration management, debugging, quality assurance, code reusability.
So you are one of the engineers?
Not today.
You are just
I'm in sales. I help out.
you're selling the product itself. And was the conference well attended?
We had a great turnout today. Yeah. It was a little, the developers like to go into these sessions and become educated on the latest and greatest. And then in between sessions, they have a great time.
Right. And did you attend today's the webcast?
I did not.
The morning webcast?
No.
So tell us about the product that you represent.
The Team Studio tools, they help developers overcome their challenges. We have a tool that will do code reuse, the drag and drop interface that will resolve dependencies for developers. We have another tool that will do design analysis. Basically, it'll scan a database, turn around and create its own notes database that represents the design.
So it's B2B business then?
No, what we deal with application development.
So you sell it to engineers?
Engineers, yep. Notes developers.
Engineers from other companies?
Sometimes.
Right?
Yeah.
But mostly to Lotus engineers?
To Lotus Notes developers.
So but when you say you work with Lotus, it's because you support a lot of their engineers, is that why?
We're a business partner with them.
So they came here, they come see you, and you show them the product, but they already have the product, right?
Lotus already has that product, yes. They have thousands of developers worldwide that already use that tool.
And then you show them the feature they didn't discover yet?
Yep.
Exactly.
Yep.
But you try to sell it also to other companies?
Yep.
But Lotus didn't own you, did they?
I'm sorry?
Lotus didn't buy you, did they?
Did they buy us?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, you're independent.
We're independent.
Very good. Did they try to buy you out?
Not that I'm aware of.
So where are you located? Where is the
We're out of Beverly, Massachusetts.
Wow.
About 20 minutes north of Boston.
Okay, I think Lotus has
They have a facility about 20 minutes south of us.
so they couldn't figure it out themselves. You had to come and tell them what to do.
No, they focus in a totally different direction than what we try and focus on. Our tools work together with Lotus.
You complement.
We complement each other very well.
Very good.
They're an excellent business partner.
And did IBM try to buy you? You don't know?
No.
You want to stay independent. Are you public company?
Excuse me?
Is Iris public?
I believe Iris is public. Well, they're owned by IBM and Lotus, so. Yeah.
They're owned by?
Yeah.
Oh, so they did buy you then, without taking the name away from you.
From Iris, not Ives.
Iris is independent.
Yeah, they're part of Lotus.
Oh, they are. So your company kept just the name then?
We're from Ives, not Iris.
I.
Yes.
IVES?
Yep.
I see. But I is your employer.
Sorry?
Ives is totally independent from those?
Ives is totally independent, yeah.
And how many of Ives are here today? How many of you are here today?
We brought 7.
7 people?
Yeah.
And so you say you're independent from Lotus, but they own you. I don't get it.
No. You're talking about Iris. Iris and Ives Development are 2 different companies.
Okay.
We're Ives Development.
Okay, so Ives is totally different from Iris.
Yeah.
So you're totally unowned by nobody?
Nope.
Okay, good for you.
We're owned by a nice English gentleman.
I see. But you're an American.
Yeah.
Very good. So keep up the good work and enjoy the party today.
Sharing Technologies, we have a product called Papyrus for Domino. It is a knowledge-sharing software solution that enables you to take any information from any Windows-based application, print it into Papyrus. Once this information is in Papyrus, you then save it to the server. Once it's on the server, anyone who has subscribed to the Papyrus has access to the information, making it instantaneously available for easy collaboration, easy decision-making, and easy use also.
And what's your connection with Lotus?
We are a Lotus business partner. Our product is available on the Passport Advantage 2 program, so you do get your points that way. And we're an IBM and Lotus business.
Lotus product?
Yes. Yes, we are. We're an independent company and a business partner.
And you're here today to explain the product to the potential users?
Yes, to potential users and also for Lotus and IBM as well, because we're always looking for various partner programs as well with the various business partners to see if our products can work together or if our companies can work together as well. Actually, I'm the marketing manager for North America. Ira Saft here is our sales engineer. So he's our technical person. Yes.
You understand the product, but you didn't develop it.
Exactly. Thank you. Yes, my name is Heather Lautenbach. I'm based out of Philadelphia, and we're located in Philadelphia, but you can also see us on the web at www.sharing.com. Thank you.
So you are worker?
Yes.
From Lotus, Massachusetts. And what are you doing today? Are you technical or marketing?
I'm actually running the product team that develops Domino Workflow.
Yeah.
And I've been in press briefings all day long, so now I enjoy being closer to the customers here in front of the lab.
They're starting to come because it's after work, right?
Yes.
Did you invite many San Franciscans?
Well, I didn't invite anybody, but I'm sure there were a lot around here. So.
Your California users who are here?
I would assume so, yes.
Yeah. In Massachusetts, what kind of product do people develop?
Domino Workflow, that's the workflow management system on top of Domino.
Yeah. What is called Domino what?
Domino Workflow.
Workflow?
Workflow.
Flow. Okay. And what does that product do?
That basically gets the right information in front of the right people at the right time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So give us an example so we can understand.
So any process that is basically people-oriented, involves working on documents, will be an example. For example, take an HR hiring process, or purchase order requisition, travel request approval, or interaction with your customer like a CRM application, customer requests or complaint handling system, what have you.
Okay, so let's be even more micro. So suppose you have a purchase order, what do you do with it?
Well, you would, assumingly somebody would enter that, would create that, and then fill in certain,
to the order department?
right, would fill in certain information and send it off maybe first to maybe the manager, the line manager for approval, and then would move on to the purchase department and so on and so forth.
And then to the shipping department?
The shipping department.
And your software will do what? Will make it step by step to the different things?
That's right. The software allows you to visually define and build such a workflow and then actually route it or execute it according to those rules that you have defined.
Okay. And is the product well accepted by everyone?
Yes, very well.
They like it?
Oh yes, we've had a very strong year so far. And we're looking at obviously an even stronger second part of the year. Yes.
And how are these products marketed? You call businesses and say we have a solution to your business?
That's one way, and obviously we're leveraging the huge Lotus business partner community that actually work with those products in terms of building their solutions for their customers.
Okay, so you have a customer base and you say this might fit this particular business. Let's
Right.
call them. Let's help them.
I would assume that that's what the Lotus Salesforce
that's what the
does.
marketing
That's
people do.
right. That's not particularly my job. My job
then-
is to get the product ready.
Okay, so once the product is ready,
Yeah.
you do not assist them to implement
I would assist in talking about the architecture and where you would apply that and so forth. But there are quite a few other folks that would actually get it out there.
Okay. So you have to have a pretty good idea on how businesses, small and medium businesses function.
Small and medium, in particular, this we see that mostly adopted by enterprise customers, but really large.
Large ones?
Yes.
So you pretty much have an idea of the structure of their departments.
Well, we would have, in a general sense, have to have an understanding. But see, the software is so flexible, so that they can really map it to their specific needs, so they can adopt it and
Some have
fit
less
it.
departments than others.
Right. They can fit it into their environment and set it up to fit really what they need to do.
Let's say it's Macy's right down the street,
Okay.
and they sell, let's say, mail orders, right? I mean, someone calls in.
They do, yeah.
So they will put the order in their computer. Lotus will help route it to the proper shipping department.
Right.
And then?
And to the whatever other steps are required, accounting department or what have you, so that they.
Don't they have those already in place? This kind of software?
They might.
They might?
They might, but I mean,
But you are
in a changing world where it's about getting an enhanced collaboration with your customers and suppliers and vendors in place. There's opportunities
So
to
you
further
have
enhance and grow.
Something that they might not have in
That's
that
right.
software?
That's right. Yes.
Oh, okay, so it's like.
And particularly what is good about this is this product allows you to fairly quickly and simply adapt and change the work routing infrastructure. So as your business changes and your business needs request adaptation of your internal systems, with this kind of software you can accomplish that fairly quickly.
Wow.
And that gives you a competitive edge, obviously.
And how many people does it take to develop such a software? Do you know?
What do you mean? The software or product, or then the tailor-made
The product
solution?
you just spoke about.
Our product, I mean, there's a bunch of developers developing
They're
on that.
working it.
Yes, but then the solution developers, that really depends on how far you want to go and how complex the application is that you're doing.
You can expand the application. Is that it?
Well, this is a tool, so this is an environment that people would use to develop their applications.
A bigger application.
Right.
So they come to you and say, develop this so that it includes all our offices all over the United States.
That's what could happen, yes.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
And that keeps you busy 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, 5 days a week?
Definitely, yes.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Well, thank you.
So this is Young from Lotus in Massachusetts.
That's right.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's see, I can see
Julie Forgo.
Julie, okay, and you work for Lotus
I do.
Domino?
I work for Lotus Domino Notes User Assistance. We write all of the product documentation.
Yes. And today you're here to
We're getting some user feedback about how people are using our documentation and ways that we can improve it.
Okay. You get some good suggestions?
We're getting great suggestions. We've had a really positive response, and we're giving people all the latest documentation, so we're glad to be here.
And did those suggestions analyzed by the engineers, is that it?
We analyze them ourselves. We input the data and take a look at the responses that people are giving us and use that to improve the documentation on each of the following releases.
Okay, so you work from which office?
I work in Westford. I work for Lotus, but I work closely with the Iris Development Group in Westford, Massachusetts.
I see, and so you're gonna, when you get home in Massachusetts, you're gonna enter all that information?
Yes, we are.
You're a technical person?
I am a technical person. I'm a technical communicator.
Do you communicate with many other Lotus offices in the world?
We work with many offices. We globalize our documentation. We localize it in many different languages, so we have to be aware of what the needs are in other parts of the world.
So most people you have seen today are from mostly North America?
Yes, although I've been very surprised at the international crowd that we've had as well. I've seen a lot of people from Scandinavia, a lot of people from Germany, so it's been a really diverse crowd.
Oh, great. So they came just to be able to get better acquainted with the product?
Yeah, most of them are developing apps for their companies, and they want to be more in touch with the company and the product.
And are you Domino and Notes? Is that your most successful product right now?
I would say it's the cornerstone of the Lotus product offering right now, and there are a lot of exciting things going on around that, like Quick Place, Same Time.
And Domino and Notes fit in one CD or several CDs?
This is the documentation that fits on one CD.
Yeah.
The product would probably require more than one.
And it's sold in any CompUSA store or anything like that, or it's sold only from Lotus to the consumer?
I believe it's sold through channels, but that's beyond my area of expertise.
Okay, so it's not over the shelf.
I don't believe so, but that's not something I specialize in.
So you don't know how to distribute it?
No.
Okay. Well, it was nice to meet you. Thank you. So you are? Again?
Julie Forgo
Yeah,
from the Domino Notes User Assistance team.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
That's right. Thank you.
They're using replication right now to pipe data back and forth. Systems. The reason it's training it is voice over
So any forms don't have window titles.
workspace, and then of course when they come in here, hey, someday I'd like to come in He didn't make it back yet, did he?
I interviewed a couple of very interesting people. One from Germany.
All right.
We are counting license.
Okay. You want the backside? Okay. Good. Our company is Sun & Son. We're a Notes business partner in Santa Fe, New Mexico. We're here showing the Lotus Sphere and DEF CON webcasts. We worked with Lotus and IBM to produce the webcasts of the DEF CON event. And what we're doing is we're showing everybody what it looks like and how it works, and it's an exciting kind of technology that we're trying to share.
What part of
What we've done is we've worked to build in the webcast, we call it the webcast portal, is all built using Domino. So effectively what it's doing is it's showcasing Domino technology as an e-business solution for a webcast type implementation.
Like what they did this morning?
Yeah. And in fact, we webcasted what they were showing this morning as well.
You're the one who did it?
Well, no, we didn't build the application, but we did webcast the session that was being shown.
Where was it webcast?
It was actually shown live, so you could actually go on this morning and watch it live, but it'll be visible. Yeah, it'll be available to everybody on Lotus.com. If you go to Lotus.com and events, yeah, you could have seen it live. And everything that's going on at the show here, you're going to be able to access for the next 90 days as well.
If you have cameras everywhere?
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. So it's good.
So, the webcast application, how many people do you think can access an actual video?
A lot of people can. And what we're finding... The minimum is a 56K dial-up connection. So anyone who has a good dial-up connection can access it. And a lot of people have faster connections at work and at home now too.
So do you send millions of emails to let people know you're going to be webcasters?
Thousands.
You let all the businesses know?
Well, what we did was we sent out everyone who's come to the webcast site to let them know that DEF CON is happening. And IBM also, Lotus also sent out email, I think, to 600,000 people during during Lotus Sphere.
So this is Lotus website?
This is coming from the Lotus website, yeah.
And soon we're going to see a video?
Mm-hmm. And in fact, what we're seeing here right now are showing a slide, but that also shows the person who's speaking as well as the slides and things like that.
The person you take this morning is being rerun all the time?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So anytime you can come, in the middle of the night, if you can't sleep, you can watch a DEF CON presentation.
You can access it and watch it, but you're not taping this whole area, are you?
We're not taping this area, but every session is being taped.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
And they are being stored on video?
Yep. And starting next week, you're going to be able to go and access, for example, this is showing every session for DEF CON.
And they can watch them?
And you can actually go on, click on one of these. And when it's live, you'll be able to load the session and then watch it. Yeah.
If they miss it, they can see it.
They can see it as many times as they want then. Yeah.
And thanks to your company, they're able to do that?
Yes.
You are a live webcasting company.
Well, we're working with Lotus IBM and our company Sun & Son, working together to make the webcast available.
So once the conference is over, you're going to take another event?
Well, the next one we'll be doing for Lotus will be Lotus Sphere in Berlin.
Oh, so you're going to follow Lotus everywhere?
Yeah. So already we've done Lotus Sphere in Berlin last year, Lotus Sphere in January in Orlando, and this one, and then it's a year-round process.
Wow. So they're pretty much employing you all the time?
Not all the time, but it's a nice project.
Oh, great. So they don't own you, but they employ you a lot?
Well, actually, we're kind of doing this as a partnership.
As a partnership?
Yeah.
So they give you something in exchange?
So we work on a revenue sharing thing.
I see. Sounds good. Do you have to pay to see each part of these webcasts?
You have to subscribe. Anyone who's coming to DEF CON gets a free 30-day subscription.
And then they
But then they can extend it if they want. And people who aren't at the conference can pay to subscribe.
they can access it later.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So it's called Sun what?
Sun and Sun.
Sun and Sun. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And I guess these are your partners?
Yes.
How you doing?
Are you the camera people?
No, we're not the camera people. We're the streaming media people.
Wow, wonderful. So,
we're the
but
guys
now it's taped directly on digital, isn't it?
Sorry?
It's taped directly on digital.
No, actually, we take it in NTSC and encode it through beta tape.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Or through digital video.
I mean, that's an option.
Oh, okay. So first it's on tape, then it's being transferred to the internet.
Yep.
So you're from French American
French American TV. We're going to be on the internet in about 6 months.
Uh-huh.
But I have about 4 shows on the internet now.
And who's streaming that over the internet for you?
Webcast Solutions did it for me.
Bon, qu'est-ce que je fais, madame? La belle Super, super. On s'éclate bien, on mange bien. Non, les conférences sont sympas. Il y a beaucoup de monde, comme tu peux voir. Le webcast, l'ouverture, c'était assez intéressant. Donc Alzolar, après quelques petites blagues, nous a fait la présentation de la stratégie pour cette année. Donc B2B, e-commerce, collaboration avancée dans le domaine du e-commerce. Et c'était très intéressant. Quel rôle personnellement je vais jouer dans tout ça? Moi je récupère ces informations-là et puis je les transmets au niveau des pays en Europe et je m'assure de la synchronisation entre ce qui est fait, les messages qui sont communiqués aux États-Unis et les messages que nous envoyons dans les différents pays en Europe. Et puis voilà, on rencontre les Américains, les responsables des produits et puis on s'échange beaucoup d'informations, on boit des verres, tout ça de façon agréable. Quasiment, ouais. Hier, c'était l'installation des différents labs. A priori, il y a plus de présentations demain, c'est le même type de journée. Samedi jusqu'à 1h, je crois. Je m'en vais. Non, moi je ferai pas partie des. Le samedi matin éventuellement, mais ensuite je m'en vais à 7h, je reprends la route. Un long voyage. Sympa, très sympa. Les Américains de Boston sont très sympas. Les clients que j'ai pu rencontrer sont sympas. Ils font beaucoup de projets, ils viennent de partout, des 4 coins des États-Unis. Il y a plein de projets intéressants. Ils ont sorti un nouveau truc intéressant. Il y a eu plein de choses intéressantes, mais de là, pour le moment, c'est des choses assez générales sur les nouveautés, sur les prochaines releases, sur toutes ces fonctions-là. Il n'y a pas réellement de nouveautés majeures ou une demande majeure révolutionnaire, je dirais. Ceci dit, pas mal de questions standards sur les technos. Assez, ouais. On est quand même assez avancé en Europe aussi sur les technos web et notamment Lotus IBM. On remarque que les clients européens sont aussi assez avancés, qu'il y a de moins en moins de décalage entre les clients américains et les clients européens. C'est sûr que ça dépend peut-être sur certains sujets, mais autour de nos technos, du messaging, de l'e-business, de l'e-commerce, certainement il y a plus de clients ici aux États-Unis, mais en termes de projets, de ce que les gens réalisent, c'est plus ou moins similaire.
D'accord, donc quand tu as parlé, tu supportes aussi Domino.
Ouais, entre autres.
Le même produit.
En fait, il y a plusieurs produits.
Il y a plusieurs Domino.
Ouais, Domino c'est juste un serveur, mais Domino il s'occupe de gérer de nombreux services, tels que le messaging. A priori, le messaging c'est quand même une des grands points forts de Domino. Mais ceci dit, Domino est bien plus qu'une plateforme de messaging. Ça permet aussi de faire de la collaboration, des applications dans le domaine du business qui permettent de s'interfacer avec les systèmes des entreprises pour faire du business to business, pour faire du e-commerce, pour faire du content management, pour faire ce qu'on appelle du same time. Same Time qui est une technologie qui permet de s'interfacer, de chatter entre plusieurs personnes dans une même page web. C'est un petit peu comme ICQ. Ceci dit, c'est bien plus avancé dans le sens où ça permet de chatter au travers d'applets Java dans des browsers qui sont très petites et qui permettent de communiquer dans une même page web. On a la possibilité de communiquer avec plusieurs personnes qui sont présentes sur cette même page web en même temps que vous, de partager des applications, de faire pas mal de choses utiles comme qui répondent à des besoins type helpdesk, type support, type aide à la vente dans le cadre d'un site de e-commerce. Donc imaginons qu'on pourrait se trouver sur une...
Quand tu parles à tes clients, tu reportes leurs commentaires aux gens qui développent.
Des requirements, éventuellement moi je leur donne un feedback. Mon rôle c'est de donner un feedback aux gens des produits ici, aux États-Unis, et puis oui, en fait c'est les responsables des produits qui eux ensuite communiquent ça au développement.
Communiquer avec toi ce que tu as appris, non? Ou bien tu leur
Ça dépend,
communiques?
le développement est séparé. Le développement il s'occupe de mettre en place, d'écrire les différentes applications, mais c'est le product manager, c'est le responsable des produits, c'est ces gens-là qui définissent les fonctions qui doivent être développées. Donc moi je travaille plutôt avec ces gens-là, parce que c'est eux qui ont la décision derrière finale de faire un choix définitif sur l'intégration d'une fonction ou pas, en fonction des priorités, en fonction de tout un tas de critères. Et voilà.
Les ingénieurs de Massachusetts.
Voilà, à Boston, dans le Massachusetts.
Par email, tu communiques avec eux?
Par email, par téléphone, par same time. Parce qu'on utilise nos technologies en interne.
Vous avez l'intranet, c'est ça?
On a un intranet mondial qui relie toutes les locations d'IBM et Lotus worldwide. Donc on a tout ce qu'il faut pour communiquer, échanger, pas mal de emails évidemment.
Quel genre de compagnie tu sers?
Les gros, dans les secteurs que je couvre moi, donc à savoir Enterprise Intégration, e-business application et knowledge management, c'est évidemment c'est tous les secteurs, mais beaucoup dans le secteur industriel. Comme Eurocopter, qui fabrique des hélicoptères. Eurocopter, ils construisent des hélicoptères.
Ah d'accord, et donc tu les aides?
Par exemple, eux, ils ont énormément d'exemples de projets. Je crois qu'il faudrait que d'ailleurs, il faudrait que tu annules ça, ce que je te dis sur le nom du client, parce que je sais pas si tu veux le diffuser ça. En général, j'aide le technico-commercial, l'ingénieur technico-commercial qui lui a une culture généraliste, qui est à la fois moitié commercial, moitié technique. Donc lui, c'est un généraliste. Donc Voilà, donc lui, des fois j'interviens pas du tout. Le rôle de mon groupe, c'est d'intervenir pour des trucs assez avancés au niveau européen. Donc il y a déjà énormément d'ITC, de technico-commerciaux dans les pays, mais nous on intervient pour forcer une vente parce qu'on est beaucoup plus pointu sur un domaine particulier que ces gens-là. Donc des fois le technico-commercial se débrouille très bien, et donc des fois le client, on est dans une situation un peu tangente où le client il a besoin d'être reconforté, il a besoin de comprendre exactement si ça va aller. Le technico-commercial, il n'est pas nécessairement au courant et suffisamment informé de telle techno. Donc on intervient, donc soit en avant-vente, soit on fait intervenir directement les gens des US, on fait une conf call ou une vidéoconférence avec le responsable de Cambridge, et puis on fait ça en direct avec le client. Donc tout est ouvert, il y a énormément de façons différentes de procéder. Voilà.
On te donne un certain nombre de clients par semaine?
Non, pas du tout. Les demandes, elles viennent de partout. Il n'y a pas aucun processus, ça peut venir tous les jours. Là d'ailleurs ma boîte aux lettres se remplit périodiquement tous les jours en même temps que je suis ici. Donc demain ou tout à l'heure quand je vais derrière mon mail, pas directement, je verrai ça la semaine prochaine, mais disons que j'aurai un petit avant-goût de ce qui m'attend pour la semaine prochaine. Donc on délègue, on reporte, on essaie de voir s'il n'y a pas une autre personne qui peut prendre en charge. On est plusieurs, et puis on essaye de gérer au mieux. Des fois c'est des demandes toutes simples, des fois le gars il n'a pas besoin que j'intervienne directement, le commercial ou le technico-commercial. Des fois il appelle en me posant une question, il y a peut-être une question de 2 lignes à répondre, des fois c'est très rapide. Donc des fois ça se fait en direct, des fois c'est un problème plus compliqué. Moi-même, j'ai pas nécessairement la réponse. Ça dépend des jours. Non, quand même pas. Non. Alors,
donc la compagnie te donne quand même un certain
sur les 30-40 emails que je dois recevoir par jour, des mails importants où il y a vraiment quelque chose à faire, il y en a peut-être 2 ou 3. Le reste, c'est beaucoup d'informations, on est en copie de mail, c'est pas mal d'infos qu'on reçoit d'autres personnes, donc c'est pas nécessairement...
Non, mais ces questions sont envoyées spécifiquement à toi ou à qui?
Ah non, à moi direct, parce que moi je suis responsable d'un certain nombre de sujets techniques.
Ah d'accord, donc toi tu es le sujet, ils te disent voilà, on va agir pour ce sujet-là.
Voilà, ils savent que je suis l'interface en Europe pour... voilà, donc ils t'envoient, s'ils ne savent pas répondre eux-mêmes au niveau du pays, en général à 80% des cas ils savent répondre, mais des fois ils ne savent pas et donc ils envoient. Donc en général c'est que des situations tendues, dans le sens où ça veut dire qu'au niveau du pays déjà ils ont creusé, ils ont pas réussi, soit parce qu'ils ne savent pas, soit parce qu'ils n'ont pas les compétences, soit parce que la fonctionnalité ne marche peut-être pas, pour tout un tas de raisons. Donc eux, dans ces cas-là, ils ont comme devoir de m'escalader. Merci. Bon appétit, Django.
Tu te donnes le problème et toi, si tu comprends pas, tu vas chez lui.
J'appelle Emmanuel, on va au resto. Voilà. Éventuellement,
si jamais. D'accord, il travaille juste à côté de toi, c'est ça?
Ouais, maintenant il a déménagé d'étage, mais bon.
D'accord, il a déménagé, je savais pas. D'accord. Donc vous êtes à combien?
Michel, elle travaille à côté de moi.
D'accord, vous êtes à combien?
Où?
Dans ton département d'assistance?
On est une dizaine. Une dizaine en Europe.
Ah d'accord. Et vous partagez le travail, c'est ça?
Chacun gère différents sujets topiques, donc on s'arrange tout le temps qu'il y ait un contact primary. Donc une personne qui est responsable à 100%, c'est son sujet numéro 1. Et il est backup d'un autre et secondary sur un autre sujet, de telle sorte que s'il y en a un qui ne peut pas le prendre, il y a une autre personne.
De cette manière, Lotus est bien organisé?
Tu vas l'envoyer à mon boss ça après ou quoi?
Moi, Michel. Non, mais...
Donc je peux dire n'importe quoi alors?
Mais vas-y, dis ce que tu veux. On n'est pas là pour cacher
Alors si c'est une réponse client, je dirais pas de problème, on est top organisé, top efficace, top professionnel et top rapide. Proactif.
Internement.
Et bon, autrement c'est un peu le boxon, mais bon, c'est un peu le boxon.
C'est trop de travail?
Non, c'est mal organisé justement.
Qu'est-ce que tu ferais pour changer?
Moi, je changerais le management déjà.
C'est pas bon?
Pas très, ça dépend. C'est toujours quoi qu'ils nous mettent. Déjà, on est dans une structure qui fait que au niveau de l'Europe. Non, c'est pas mon manager. Non, Emmanuel, il est marketing, communication. Moi, c'est mon boss, c'est le directeur technique. Techno. Non, il me donne aucun travail, mon boss. Il sait même pas ce que je fais. En gros. Pourquoi?
Tu peux rester 8 heures par jour sans rien faire et c'est pas.
Sans rien faire, non, mais pas, nous, on ne nous demande pas de rien faire. Si on n'a pas de demande, ben, on s'informe. On est dans un monde qui bouge extrêmement rapidement, donc on passe du temps à surfer, à récupérer des infos, à étudier nous-mêmes pour se tenir au courant. On ne travaille pas à la demande, on n'est pas à la chaîne.
Vous êtes là juste au cas où.
Entre guillemets, et on s'assure que dans les pays, ils ont l'information. Il y a plusieurs rôles. Il y a un, c'est product management. On fait remonter les problèmes. 2, c'est pre-sales. On intervient chez les clients. 3, c'est technical enablement. Donc ça, c'est s'assurer que les technico-commerciaux et les consultants en Europe connaissent bien les produits. Donc on fait des événements comme Sumtech, comme ici, comme Lotus comme plusieurs d'autres événements. Et qu'est-ce qu'on fait d'autre aussi? On fait des présentations aussi. Donc là aujourd'hui je suis sur un pédestal, mais ça m'arrive de faire des topos aussi. À des clients, à des business partners, à IBM, à n'importe qui. On est un peu les pompiers quoi si tu veux. On fait un peu de tout quoi. Donc tu peux m'appeler monsieur le pompier, il manque plus que le casque sur la tête, c'est bon.
Quand une partie est slow, tu passes à la section, c'est ça?
Une partie est slow, c'est-à-dire
Dans une section de ce que tu viens de est calme, tu vas à l'autre section, c'est ça?
une autre section, quelle section?
À l'autre partie de ton travail.
Ouais, enfin il n'y a pas trop de règles, quoi, ça se fait à la demande. Moi c'est moi qui gère totalement mon temps, mon planning, tout. Emmanuel était dans le groupe l'année dernière et Emmanuel maintenant il s'occupe de la com et marketing pour la France. Donc on travaille moins ensemble que l'année dernière. Que des beaux mecs sympas, très sympas. Voilà, on recherche d'ailleurs plein de demoiselles célibataires. D'ailleurs, si tu as des adresses, tu peux envoyer ça à toute la terre sur internet. Alors essentiellement, ouais, quasiment. Il y a l'assistante, Roselyne. Non, Roselyne, c'est une nouvelle assistante là qu'on a dans le groupe qui vient d'arriver, qui est une femme de, je sais plus quel âge elle a, 32, 33. Ouais, voilà, elle est très sympa. Il y a Sarah, c'est une autre nana qui est pas très jolie. Elle est pas du tout technique, on sait pas trop ce qu'elle fait dans le groupe, mais bon. Voilà, elle a un bon contact avec le boss. Je déconne.
Le reste, vous êtes tous des techniques?
Tous des mecs.
Tous des ingénieurs?
Tous des super beaux mecs, quoi. Ouais. Tous des dragueurs.
Voilà, donc c'était David Teboul, super sympa de Lotus, des paiements. On va passer à la Alors explique-nous, Sam Tam, explique-nous.
veux un petit truc?
You have some questions about that?
Oui.
You do?
Same time?
Yeah. Probably same time, yeah.
Everybody's hitting the shrimp.
Comment tu veux que je traduise?
It never makes it to this end of the world.
I'm gonna try to translate in French.
Okay.
Bon, alors,
Hi.
demande-lui, donc est-ce que same time est la même chose que, est-ce que c'est du net to phone ou c'est du phone to net?
Ouais, j'ai compris. En fait, same time, c'est uniquement dans le cadre des intranets. Hein. C'est sur IP, quoi.
No, I asked him, is same time net to phone or also phone to net?
It's both, yeah.
You can receive also phone call from a regular phone?
Well, no, you cannot receive from a regular phone. It's just it has its own clients, so it's just on the net right now. It's net to net, correct.
Il dit, c'est pour ça que ils sont là.
Net to net.
Net to net, but it wouldn't be too difficult if one day
It will eventually be. There needs to be a gateway piece, a gateway between the internet and the PSTN, and the translation occurs in that gateway.
Non mais c'est pas compliqué,
Very complicated, yeah.
No, but we were saying that there are lots of companies, startup companies that today are doing this over the phone line.
Oh yes, bunch of them.
And Lotus could do that as well.
Yes. Yeah. I don't know if they will, but.
Are you just business application right now?
Hey, Mike.
Am I just business application? Yes. It's basically a business application. Correct. Yeah, it's a way for them to collaborate on their internet, on their networks.
For example, put it in David's house.
No.
But
he can hit it from, he's able to do it from a browser. If he can get to the internet and get to a same-time server, then he's able to attend a meeting from his house,
if he wants to call me, compare us to Samsung.
No, it's not going to work like that. But if you're in the same meeting, he can. So if you join that meeting and he joins that meeting, then you can communicate in that meeting, just like if you're in the same phone booth.
Pas forcément, tu peux chatter aussi. Tu as le meeting, tu as le whiteboard, tu peux dessiner. Non, je peux pas t'appeler sur le téléphone, il n'y a pas de téléphone. Non, mais derrière moi, la technologie, c'est tu transportes les mêmes données. Ouais, la vidéo. La caméra vidéo, tu as vu, il y avait une petite caméra dans les...
Oui, mais tu n'as pas, vous n'êtes pas encore développé pour faire de maison à maison.
Non, not phone to phone.
Not phone to phone. Yeah, it's all internet based or network based.
C'est basé que pour les réseaux, ouais. Tu sais, il suffit de pas grand chose pour qu'ils le font, hein, et ils te passent la vidéo tout de suite. Non, mais peut-être. Is there? That's a good question. Is there a reason why it's not designed to work also on the phone line?
Well, I guess it's just not its main purpose. Its main purpose is a business environment and for people to be able to collaborate using just browsers as opposed to phones. I mean, you could eventually, if we had a gateway where they could call into the meeting, yeah, right.
Ouais, c'est plutôt pour que les gens collaborent ensemble et communiquent et collaborent ensemble et échanger des informations. Mais on pourrait typiquement imaginer de plugger ça sur le réseau téléphonique si nécessaire. C'est pas notre besoin premier, ça n'a pas été fait à la base pour ça.
Il y a des gens, par exemple, qui ont des notes téléphoniques de $1000 par mois parce qu'ils appellent New York, ils appellent Florida, et ils ont besoin de...
Oui, non, mais d'accord. Mais oui, non, mais on s'en fout. Il y a des milliers de mecs, des centaines de milliers de personnes dans les entreprises.
Voilà, c'est ça. Donc, eux, ils font l'autre application. Tu vois ce que je dis?
Oui, tout à fait, oui, parfaitement. Ça pourrait. The big question is because there are lots of small companies that are pretty much doing all the same, but also opening their system to the GSMs, phone, mobile phones, etc. but there are many companies in that area and also. So.
Thank you.
Tu vas être capable de prendre le contrôle de ton application Word et de faire des modifications dedans. Tu vois ou pas? Ouais, en gros, je prends contrôle de ta machine à distance, de tes applications Windows à distance. Tu vois? Ça existe ça déjà, ça existe, ça tourne depuis déjà un moment.
Au boulot à Lotus, tu as un téléphone sur ton téléphone?
Non. Pas spécialement, non. Moi je prends le téléphone, je compose le numéro, ça me suffit.
Mais ça me coûte cher,
Si, mais oui, mais on pourrait très bien faire ça avec Same Time dans la version 2.0. Ben bien sûr, mais c'est ce qu'on fait, ouais. Parce que oui, ça pourrait être étendu à ça, ce sera certainement envisagé, ils vont certainement se poser la question. Mais il n'y a pas que ça, Aline, il y a plein d'autres paramètres qui rentrent en jeu. Ben, les entreprises, elles ont des intranets, elles ont des centaines de milliers d'utilisateurs partout. Ils veulent faire ça sur le net. Hein. Ils préfèrent faire ça sur le net. Sur un site de e-commerce, n'importe qui, t'es pas obligé de t'installer un téléphone branché dans ton PC, quoi. Il faut que ce soit un système ouvert qui soit conforme aux standards. Et il faut que ça implique le moindre coût pour les utilisateurs qui vont se connecter. Tu vas sur un site web de e-commerce, tu vas acheter une voiture, tu as la possibilité de chatter directement avec une personne qui est en ligne, un aide à la vente, un commercial. Tu peux chatter avec lui en direct et tu n'as pas besoin d'installer quoi que ce soit sur ta machine. Non, rien. Tu n'as rien, c'est ça l'avantage. Tu n'es pas obligé de brancher un téléphone ou t'embêter avec quoi que ce soit. Pas forcément. Ben, là tu parles pas, tu vas taper, tu vas échanger les messages par écrit, ou si tu as une caméra vidéo branchée sur son ThinkPad, tu peux avoir la vidéo et le son. Avec un micro tout bête. Voilà, donc ça c'est gratos et ça nécessite rien du tout. C'est un produit.
Got to actually perform here.
Yeah, you need to
So
say
what kind of things could I do with this product?
many things. You can first LEI is designed to do data transfers and data synchronization to different systems. So DEX,
Above and beyond DEX?
yes.
Or similar?
DEX is a subset of LEI, and DEX is, as you may know, is only designed for real-time access.
Right.
And with LEI, you have much more different kind of activities, such as
Do batch processes?
yes, definitely.
Okay.
So the kind of activities are listed here. They're direct transfer. So for example, you can imagine to transfer the content of an Oracle database into Sybase. Okay, so you give it a name. You can do that in batch mode. As you can see here, there's a section scheduling where you specify the different intervals. You have the option to type directly your SQL statement if you only want to transfer a specific amount of records.
Like a select thing?
Yeah, select whatever. For example, I don't know if I have an example here.
That's okay, I understand.
Okay, so these are the default connectors that are available are
DB2, that's what I use.
Yeah.
That's all I need.
DB2,
And
okay.
what's notes? So it can connect
Notes?
to other notes?
It's a notes database.
So it connects to a different notes one that's not part of the same one?
Yeah, you can think about it can be a note. It used to be a notes address book. For example, you were transferring users that are stored in DB2. You would transfer them in the notes address book, and automatically you had the opportunity, the option to create a mail file, to add the entry, the people, all these things. So by default, it comes with RDBMS connectors and ODBC for the rest. And we have what we call premium connectors. The premium connectors are for targeted ERP systems. So for SAP, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Oracle Financials. And when you install and when you purchase a connector, it adds all the new design elements in LEI. So this way you would see SAP listed here, for example. Same kind of things. It's based on mapping between nodes, fields, and columns. Enchanté.
Bruce Instrument.
Oh, okay. From California?
Yep. From Santa Clara, California.